Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through how to change the leverage in TradingView's paper trading, the simulator feature that lets you practice trades with virtual funds. A lot of new and even experienced traders want to experiment with different leverage settings to see how their strategies might work in real-world scenarios, but the steps can be a little tricky to find if you haven't done it before. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to adjust your leverage for stocks, futures, forex, crypto, or pretty much any asset class in TradingView's paper trading. Let's dive in and set you up for smarter trading practice. First things first, you'll want to make sure you're connected to your broker within TradingView. This is essential, like having the key before you try to drive a car. The paper trading feature relies on this connection to simulate trades accurately, or else TradingView won't know how to set up your virtual account properly. If you're not already connected, you might see some features grayed out or not working. So if you're not quite sure about this step, take a second to check your connection up at the top of your TradingView screen. Once you've confirmed your broker is connected, we're ready to go. Next up, look for the Paper Trading tab, which is located at the bottom of the TradingView interface. It's pretty easy to miss if you're not familiar, just look down towards the bottom right. Click on the area that says Paper Trading. This will bring up your paper account controls, letting you access all the simulated trading tools that TradingView offers. Think of this as opening the dashboard for your demo trades. From here, we want to adjust the settings for the paper trading account. Click on the settings or gear icon, which should bring up a few different options. What we're looking for is Reset Account. Now, I know that might sound a little intense. Maybe you're worried about losing your trade history or settings. Don't worry, resetting your paper trading account here just means you'll get a fresh virtual account balance, and it most importantly allows you to change the leverage, which is what we want. Once you've opened the reset settings, you'll notice a drop-down menu for leverage. Here, where the real flexibility comes in, go ahead and click the drop-down and you'll see options to set your preferred leverage for different asset types. Stocks, futures, forex, crypto, and more. Select whatever matches the market you're interested in practicing with. For example, if you're testing high-leverage crypto strategies, pick a higher multiple, but if you're sticking to stocks, maybe a lower setting fits your needs. This drop-down gives you the power to make your paper account mirror real trading conditions as closely as possible, or even stress test your strategy under more extreme conditions. After you've selected your desired leverage for each asset class, you're almost done. Just click the reset button. It's normal to feel hesitant, especially if you've spent time on your current paper trades. Remember, this action will clear your open trades and history, but it's a small trade-off if your goal is to practice smarter and under the right conditions. The process might take a few moments, so don't worry if things pause briefly. TradingView is just updating your paper account settings. And that's it, you've just changed your leverage settings on TradingView's paper trading feature. Now you can dive back in and practice your trades with the right amount of risk and reward for your style. If you found this guide helpful, please hit the like button and let me know in the comments if you ran into any issues or have other TradingView questions. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials to level up your trading skills. Thanks for watching and happy trading.